Let's talk about emotions and creativity. Two things many of us were never taught to trust. Somewhere along the way, we learned that our feelings were too much, that joy should be earned, that pleasure is selfish, that creativity is a luxury, and that wanting connection made us needy. So we learned to shut it down, to stay in control, to prioritize being good or useful over being fully alive. And that makes sense because when you don't feel safe in your foundation, your root, of course you'd suppress your emotional body, your sacral. You weren't wrong. You were protecting yourself. But what happens when the threat is gone and the shutdown stays? You might feel numb, disconnected. You crave intimacy but fear it. You want to create but feel blocked. You feel the ache of disconnection and wonder what's wrong with you. Nothing is wrong with you. This is what it looks like when the flow gets dammed up, when your emotional energy has nowhere safe to go. So today we're not trying to fix your emotions. We're simply creating space to feel again, to return to your body, your rhythm, your voice. You don't have to force anything. You just have to remember that your feelings matter. Your joy matters. You matter. So let's begin. Find a position that feels supportive, seated or lying down. Close your eyes if that feels safe. Let your shoulders drop and take a slow, steady breath in. And exhale, letting your body soften. Feel the support beneath you. With each breath, invite calm in and let tension melt away. Let your awareness rest in your body. Notice what's here, not to fix, just to witness. Tightness, numbness, emptiness, emotion, all of it is welcome. Now bring your attention to your lower belly, just below your navel. This is your sacral chakra, the center of emotion, creativity, pleasure, and relationship with self and others. Place a hand over this space if it feels right. Feel the warmth, the aliveness, even if it's faint. For many of us, this part of us holds a history of shame and disconnection. We were taught, don't be so emotional. Tone it down. That's not appropriate. Don't draw attention to yourself. Desire is dangerous. Creativity doesn't pay the bills. Your body is not to be trusted. So we learn to hide, to numb, to disconnect. But your emotional body never left. It's still here, waiting for permission to move again. Let's reflect gently. Ask yourself, where have I been abandoning myself? My emotions, my creativity, my body. Where have I been suppressing what I really feel or desire? What parts of me have I been told are too much? What would it feel like to reclaim my right to feel and to express? Breathe with whatever comes up. No pressure, no fixing, just honesty and compassion. You've just opened a door inside of you. Now let's support that opening with flow. The element of the sacral chakra is water, fluid, alive, ever-changing. It doesn't force or push. It moves when it feels safe to do so. So we'll work with the energy of a flowing waterfall to support that gentle movement in you. Let's shift from thought into sensation and from holding into release. Imagine yourself standing near a glowing orange waterfall. It cascades gently over stone, glowing with warmth, steady and soft. You hear the sound of the water, soothing and rhythmic. The mist in the air kisses your skin. This is your sacral energy, not forced, not overwhelming, just waiting for you to meet it. Step closer. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, step gently into the waterfall. Feel it pour from your crown down over your body, over your face, your chest, your belly, your hips. Let it wash away what no longer belongs. The shame you've carried, the fear of being seen, the stories that told you your feelings were too much, the pressure to be useful instead of joyful, the silence around your needs and desires. Let the water soften the places you've held tight, and let it open space in your body for what's true. This waterfall whispers, you're allowed to feel. You are allowed to express. You are allowed to be fully, wildly, unapologetically you. Let this energy fill your sacral space. Let it ripple through your nervous system like a warm wave of truth and tenderness. Now let's invite some affirmations into this space. Let each one land like water, soft, steady, and powerful. You can say them silently or aloud. I honor my emotions. They are safe here. I am allowed to feel pleasure, joy, and desire. I trust my inner flow. I release shame and I reclaim my truth. My creativity is sacred. I am in a relationship with myself, and it is safe to be me. My desires are valid and important. I embrace my feminine energy with love and respect. I release fear around being seen and heard. I allow myself to feel fully without judgment. Every part of me deserves compassion and kindness. I welcome flow and movement into my life. Let these affirmations settle into your body. You don't need to hold on to them. Just let them become part of your rhythm. When you're ready, begin to return. Bring awareness back to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the support beneath you, grounding and steady. Take one final breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself fully in your body, present and alive. When it feels right, gently open your eyes. You just reconnected with a part of yourself that many of us were taught to hide. This energy is still yours. It's not something you have to force. It's something you can return to. The more you meet your emotions with compassion, the more they will move with trust and ease. This is your gentle invitation, one breath, one sensation, one choice at a time. Thank you for showing up for yourself. You are doing beautifully. Namaste.